Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe something you did that made you feel proud. You should say what it was, how you did it, what difficulty you had, how you dealt with the difficulty, and why you felt proud of it. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, there have been a lot of accomplishments in both my personal and professional spheres of life, which made me feel proud of myself. And today, I would like to speak about a fundraising campaign for women empowerment and education that I had organized as part of my work. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So accomplishment means achievement, empowerment means the authority or power given to someone. So we are talking about women empowerment here. That means giving authority and power to women as well. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that when I was working for a non governmental organization, one of the most daunting projects that I fulfilled was collecting funds to support higher studies of girls and advocate gender equality. So, daunting means something that is difficult or tough. So, we have used a better vocabulary word here. Fulfilled means to complete. Advocate means promote. Gender equality means equal rights for both men as well as women. Moreover, it was a difficult project to work on as I was facing a lot of issues in finding and selecting institutions who would be willing to support the noble cause of educating women. So, issues here means problems, willing means ready, noble means something that is great. However, I browsed the internet and gathered information regarding the firms in my locality, as well as connected and attended meetings with potential groups to explain the motive of my project. So, motive means objective or aim. Besides that, I also approached my municipal corporation, who in turn assisted me with contacts of some prospective clients, and with my hard work and sheer dedication, I was able to gather few corporations which were willing to invest in my project. So assist means to help, prospective means potential. Alright, so we have answered the first 4 questions. The last question, which is why you felt proud of it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I was on seventh heaven as the project, which seemed to be impossible in the beginning, turned out to be a huge success, and I felt proud as a peacock as I was able to contribute to a great cause of women upliftment in society and removal of associated gender bias. So we have used 2 idioms here. The first one is on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. The second one that we used here was felt proud as a peacock, which means to have a very high opinion about someone. Okay. Upliftment means improvement, and gender bias means gender discrimination. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.